At our office, we get to the cause of your healthcare problems. When something happens and goes wrong, there's always a cause. If you have a leak in a roof that's creating a puddle of water on the floor, the cause is the hole in the roof. Now you could, one, just mop up that water whenever it rains, or you could, two, put a bucket here to catch the water and then just empty it periodically, or you could fix the hole in the roof. Now most of us would prefer to fix the hole in the roof, right? It may be easier and cheaper initially to mop or use the bucket, but long term, if we don't take responsibility to handle the roof, what happens to the roof and the ceiling? The problem gets worse. The leak gets worse, the hole gets worse, we get more damage to the ceiling. We could also get mold growing up here in the roof. We could have boards that are getting wet and rotting up in the roof. And if we forget to mop or empty the bucket, then the water could go through and cause damage down on further, right? So basically, the problem gets worse. But you might say, it cost me more to fix the roof. This could be true. But the longer you wait to fix the roof, the more money it will take to fix as the more damage comes about. Let's compare this scenario to health. We could look at anything. Let's look at the immune system. Let's say we get some kind of infection. We get some bad guy bugs here. What's the cause? The cause is that our immune system was not strong enough to handle those bad bugs. So we get some type of symptom, like let's say we get a snotty nose or runny watery eyes, or our stomach hurts, or we get a headache, or we get some type of rash that happens. We could take some over-the-counter meds and dry up that mucus, reduce those headaches, make the stomach feel a little bit better. But this does nothing to fight those bad bugs. It just temporarily makes you feel better or gets the water off the floor. The source, the bad bugs, are still there causing damage to the body. Or two, we could take some antibiotics or steroids. Antibiotics can be necessary in emergencies and have saved lives. But when you know how to help the immune system, you end up having a lot less emergencies. Although antibiotics may reduce the bad bugs, they also reduce the good bugs. Like putting a bucket there to hold the water. It's not addressing the problem, the low immune system or the leaky roof. So we'd better fix the roof or build up the immune system. Your immune system has to finish off those bad bugs, and if you never build it back up, you can have underlying immune system challenges that you're not aware of that can be creating more damage, and you can get things like yeast growing in the body. You can get more allergies, fatigue, all sorts of symptoms, and eventually cancer. Or we can fix the roof and fix the immune system challenges. Strengthen the immune system. Give the body what it needs to strengthen that immune system. Find the cause. There could be many causes and can be different from person to person. Find the cause can cost a little more, just like fixing the roof. It's a much tougher job than mopping up the water or just putting a bucket there to catch the water, but worth the effort and the investment. Let us help you fix the cause of your healthcare problems. Shubert Natural Healthcare and Chiropractic, getting to the cause of your healthcare problems.